how to get to our LTL Korean school in Seoul. Let's get started. The closest station to the school is Hapjeong Station, which you can reach on line 2 or line 6. And then you need to look at exit 3 because that's the one that's closest to the school. It should take you around 7 minutes walk, give or take, to get to the school from the station. And if you want to take a look at our school tour, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Okay guys, we hope that was helpful and we're looking forward to seeing you in Seoul real soon. Bye guys!